In this video, we will guide you step by step through the process of creating a new project in Plant SCADA. In the project activity, select Home. Then, on the command bar, click Add. New Project. The New Project dialog appears. In the new dialog box, enter a name for your new project. Optionally, you can add a description of the project. Then, you can select the directory path where the project files are stored. By default, a folder with the name of the project is created in the user folder directory. You can override this by manually entering the location or clicking Browse. Next, you have the checkbox, Create Project based on Starter Project. Select this option if you want to create a project based on one of the built-in starter projects. Starter projects initialize configuration in a newly created project to get you started quickly and can be run straight away. A project created using a starter project will also incorporate included projects that provide access to a page templates and library objects that you can use to create your own customized content. So, if you decide to create a project based on a starter project, you will need to select the starter project you wish to use as a template for your project. In this example, we will use the SA-style starter project. Once you click OK, the new project will quickly show up in the project activity. Click on the project to set it as active. As you navigate through it, you'll observe that it already has some functionalities in place, like multiple servers and user configurations. In order to build a standard project, meaning a blank one, not based on a starter project, you need again to go on the command bar and select Add. New Project. Then, complete the required fields, and uncheck the checkbox Create Project based on Starter Project. In the new menu options presented, you will need to select the template style and resolution of the pages in your project, as well as decide whether the Windows title bar will be displayed on top of your pages on runtime. You can also select the background color that will be displayed in newly created graphics pages. Then press OK. The new project is now visible in the Project Activity section of Plant SCADA Studio. Upon exploring this project, you'll find that it comes without any pre-configured settings. It is a blank slate, ready for you to configure. Now, you know everything on how to create a new project using Plant SCADA. Thank you for watching.